Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to take any image and transform it into a stunning 3D motion animation. I will walk you through the process step by step so you can add dynamic movement to your visuals and make them pop. So let's get started. First, head over to the Google and search for Pixverse AI. Click on the first link to open the website. Here is the main interface. No need to change any settings. Simply click on the image and text option. Then hit the plus icon to upload the image. Now let's add the prompt. I will include this prompts and image link in the description below. You can use these prompts with the provided images, or you can create your own unique prompts based on your own images. Just type in what you want to see in the final animation. Once you are ready, click the create button and let it generate the magic. It will take few seconds. Wow, look at that. It's amazing. A 2D image transformed into a beautiful motion animation. If you are happy with the result, go ahead and download the video. Since the video is in low resolution, let's enhance the quality using the VMake AI tool. Just click on the video quality enhancer. Drag and drop your video here. It will take a little time, but once it's done, you will have a much sharper, high quality version. Now just open it and download it. And that's it. In just a few easy steps, you have turned a regular image into a stunning 3D motion animation. How cool is that? If you have any doubts or feedback related to this video, please let me in the comments below.